Guys, I traveled hours out of my city just to view a house. Hello lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Maureen and this is Maureen's Real Diary. So today I'll be going to another city to view a house. Yes, you heard me right. It is about that time. I got to the train station about 8:30 or 8:40 I think. Got my ticket. I went upstairs to my platform to wait for the arrival of the train that would take me to the next city. So while sitting down there, I was kind of hungry, so I decided to grab something from Subway to eat. I got myself a sandwich and then later on got shrimps, which I first ate before eating the sandwich. It was yummy. So backstory guys, story time. 2020 I and my husband decided to move out of our apartment to get a bigger space because I just had my last baby then. So our apartment was kind of not so comfortable for us. I would say it was okay, we could manage, but we wanted something bigger, you know. So 2020, as you all know, it was corona time, so there was lockdown. I was opportuned, even in that long lockdown, I was opportuned to view some apartments, newly built, old built. They were nice, okay, but one thing turned me off in some of those houses. One, they were overpriced, and secondly, they had this American type of setting, like open kitchen. Well, that was not my thing. So after viewing some houses, I got home, sat down with my husband, discussed and told him what I discovered, the price and everything. And if you know me, you know that moving is not my strength. Like, it stresses me emotionally, physically and otherwise. So I told my husband it's really not worth it paying that amount every month for an apartment. I think it's better we just, save up money and then get a house. So he was okay with it and said, okay, no problem. We had to focus on the projects we had in Africa, in our home country, then in Nigeria. We decided to focus on the projects, get everything done, and then face buying a house here. Save up money and buy a house. Buying a house in Germany, it's not for the faint, it's not for the weak. It requires a lot, physically, emotionally, financially. It is draining also, because one thing you should know is the more deposit you have in hand, you like your own capital, the lesser the interest rates gets. So it's better you save up more so you get a better interest rate from the bank. Yeah. So my train is here. Went in and located my seat. So we decided to say, okay, no problem, let's just do it the way we thought was okay. After finishing the project in Africa, last year 2025, we were in Africa, we were in Nigeria for Christmas. So, and I also had my birthday. It was really nice with family, friends. We sat down together after Christmas and was like, what is our goal for 2026? What are we doing this year? And what came out of my mouth is like, we are moving. We have to move. It's that time. We have to move. We should start searching intensively for a house. I had other cities in mind, not only Berlin, because I was really tired of living in Berlin. I was born, bred and buttered in Lagos, and Berlin started feeling like I started getting this Lagos vibe in Berlin, because it wasn't giving, a lot of people. It's kind of chaotic for me. So I decided to, we decided to move out of Berlin. So we had a couple of cities in our minds, which we started searching. One was Braunschweig. The other city we had in mind was Aachen. The third one was close to Bremen. I don't want to live in Bremen. Bremen is nice, but it's also a big city. I wanted something, we wanted something serene and cool and calm. We had also Dortmund, Düsseldorf, and Cologne in mind. Nuremberg was also among our list. So we started searching earlier this year. We got some offers on some viewings. Some of them I didn't vlog because yeah, I forgot. So when I saw this one, the agent reached out to me, sent me some documents, to look at the house and all that. I said okay, fine. We also had like a video consultation, and I was like, no, I have to come and see things for myself. One thing is this: I have a strong instinct, and sometimes the videos don't show you, they don't do justice to what you get to see in person. So that was what prompted me to travel to go and see things for myself, because like I said, pictures don't do justice to a lot of things.
Baby, this is where I'm meant to be, in the golden breeze, just you and me.
Here I was eating my sandwich, enjoying myself, filled with so much, what ifs in my head. I was excited and also had like kind of bubbles in my stomach, and also anxiety at the same time, mixed feeling, like what if leaving Berlin would be very hard for me and also for the kids, because yeah, we've lived here for a very long time. We've grown in Berlin, had friends, had people that are like families to us, but then it is what it is. We have to move. We have to also put ourselves first. So this trip wasn't just about seeing a house. Yeah, it was everything running through my mind on this trip. I had a lot of mixed feeling, excitement, fear, anxiety, a lot was just going through my mind.
Baby, this is where I'm meant to be. Melts in my hands, and I don't need much, just the sky above you beside.
So as we get closer, my heart was beating like really fast. The feeling when you are about to see something that could change everything. That was me right here, staring out of the window, trying to imagine what the place would look like in real life.
Slow days, sunlight on my skin, warm waves whispering again, bare feet dancing on the sand. Time just melts in my hands, and I don't need much, just the sky above you beside me. That's enough, 'cause it's a golden breeze on a summer night. Soft glow, everything feels right. Heart slow mo.
So I took an Uber, got to the place. I just arrived to the neighborhood. The first thing I noticed, was the neighborhood. It was quiet. It felt safe. It felt really welcoming for families. The atmosphere looked really friendly. I was trying to observe everything, even how the neighbors kept their garden, things like that.
Dancing on the sand. Time just melts in my hands, and I don't need much, just the sky above you beside me. That's enough, 'cause it's a golden breeze on a summer night. Soft glow, everything feels right. Heart slow motion, drifting free. Baby, this is where
won't be able, for security purposes, I won't be able to show you people what the inside, the interior looks like. All I could say is this: the place is quite okay, but it's not something I really like. It didn't stand out for me. One, because I always look out for a bigger kitchen in every viewing I've been to, I've gone to. For me, it's the kitchen. The kitchen has to be big enough, because I love cooking. Why not? And this was just, it was just there. It felt as if I was in a box. And mind you, this is 102 quadrat meter. It's not that big, but it would have been okay if you wanted it. Yeah, it's just there. It's just there. Another thing that turned me off is the amount of work needed to be done in this building. Guys, it was a lot. It was a lot. I can't even start telling you guys the things that needed to be done inside of the house. The outside looks good, the garden, the garage, everything looks really well kept, but the interior was it was not that good. Yeah, it requires a lot of resources going in.
Time just melts in my hands, and I don't need much, just the sky above, you beside me, that's enough. 'Cause it's a golden breeze on a summer night, soft glow, everything feels right, heart slow motion, drifting free, baby, this is where I'm meant to be. Slow days, sunlight on my skin, warm waves whispering again.
And guys, it rained seriously on this day. It kept drizzling throughout that day. This is like the sit-out area. This is the sit-out area. Yeah, like I said, the outside, the exterior looks good, but interior, trust me, a whole lot needs to be done. So if you want to see the part 2 of other viewings, please stay tuned, don't go anywhere, subscribe if you haven't, click like and share. So guys, I'm back. I'm in Berlin now. I'm going home. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and you have a lovely day. Bye.